Revelation 18 talks about what is found. There are mention of demons, unclean spirits, and something of birds. The demons are actually the demons I mentioned on my channel, the Hamans, and so are the unclean spirits. Those are the demonic people that I mentioned on my channel. Those are both Hamans. The foul bird, those are not literal birds. Those are actually the devils that I mentioned to you on my channel. So basically what they're saying is, in me, and I am not the whore of Babylon, they are. Those that partake in what they did with my head and all that stuff. Those three types of people were found looking through my head. And they are the ones that shall be destroyed according to the scripture, according to the revelation.